Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video tutorial from Encryption. This video is going to be about how to check what type of disk or disks you have on your laptop or desktop PC. We will see 4 different ways to check whether your PC or laptop has an HDD or SSD. So let's get started. The first method is to run a command on Windows PowerShell. So open the Windows PowerShell. Type the command get-physicaldisk and hit enter. As you can see, the type of disk that is installed on my laptop is SSD, and we can even see the size of the disk, that is 128 GB. Now let's close this window and learn another method to check what type of disk is installed on your laptop or desktop PC. This method is pretty similar to the first method, as we are going to issue the command in the command prompt. Press Windows plus R keys to open the run box. Type cmd and hit enter. Here type PowerShell space inside the double quotation get-physicaldisk space pipe space format dash table space dash autosize and hit enter. If you are wondering where you can find the pipe symbol, you can get it by pressing the shift and then the key that is just above the enter key. We get almost the same output as we got from the first method. We can see the name of the SSD manufacturer, the size of the SSD and some other information. Moving on to the next method, on the Windows search box type defrag. You will see defragment and optimize drives app. Just click on it to open it. Here under the media type, you can see what type of disk is installed on your laptop or the desktop PC. As you can see, it is the solid state drive or the SSD. To move on to the final method, close this window, press Windows plus R keys to open the run box again, and then type msinfo32 and hit enter. Here click on the plus symbol in front of the components. Further, click on the plus symbol in front of the storage. Click on the disks. Here we can see the SSD manufacturer, the size of the SSD and the type of the disk as ATA device. If you look at a bit down, you can see the media type as fixed hard disk, which indicates that the disk is the SSD or the solid state drive. Okay guys, this is how we can know what type of disk is installed on our laptop or PC. That's all for this video. I hope the video was useful to you. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you on other videos. Till then, have a nice time. Goodbye.